Hi everyone. Our topic for today is about cough. A cough is a sudden sharp sounding expulsion of air from the lungs acting as a protective mechanism of our body to clear the air passages or as a symptom of pulmonary disturbances. So this definition was taken from Merriam-Webster dictionary. So hope that these have given you the definition of cough. No, we commonly encounter cough, especially when weather is cold and viruses that cause respiratory diseases have scattered. But why do we cough? Actually, coughing is our body's own way of getting rid of foreign particles, irritants, microbes, mucus and bacteria, and maybe with other allergens out of our throat. So as we all know, or for the information of everybody, that our body has its own defense mechanism, and coughing can be one of these defense mechanism by which it forces out air out of the lungs under high pressure, that is in an attempt to clear the throat of foreign particles. So that is one of, as what I've said a while ago, that coughing or cough is a way of our body to defend itself against irritants that might have entered our respiratory system. So we have here several types of cough. First is we call it productive cough. So this productive cough, from the term itself, productive because it produces mucus or phlegm, as it forces out air. So it comes with the mucus. So we call it productive cough. Another one is called dry cough. So from the term itself, dry because it is a type of cough that doesn't produce enough mucus, and it results in throat irritation. It irritates our throat. So that's what we call dry cough. Next, another type of cough is caused by bronchitis. So the cough that is caused by bronchitis produces yellow-gray mucus or phlegm and is accompanied by cold-like symptoms such as stuffy nose, headache, and fatigue. Okay. Next, number four. Fourth type of cough is one that is called or known as post-viral cough. So this is a common symptom of an upper respiratory tract infection due to throat inflammation. So we call it post-viral cough. Another type of cough is whooping cough, or sometimes it is also known as whooping cough. So this type of cough is an infectious respiratory disease, especially of children, caused by a bacterium. This bacterium is known to be Bordetella pertussis and marked by a convulsive, spasmodic cough, sometimes followed by a crowing intake of breath, called pertussis. So this definition was taken also from Merriam-Webster dictionary. So hope that this definition have defined this whooping cough for you. So how coughs are treated? So I cannot give you any recommendation for the treatment of cough, as I am not a doctor, but the first advice that I can give you is, of course, to consult a doctor. Go to a doctor and tell him your condition. So you will be given proper medication. You will be given prescriptions. I mean, by these doctors, depending on a type of cough that you have, or the type of cough that a person has. Okay. However, experts also advise us, no, all of us, to drink a lot of fluid, water, juices, and other fluids that may help loosen, okay, and loosen our phlegm, loosen the mucus, and this water also can help our respiratory system produce more mucus, so that our cough will be loose, therefore improving our condition. So these are only my tips in treating cough, though it may just be a simple cough, but it can also be a serious one. So after 2 to 3 days of having cough, or up to, we shouldn't wait for 7 days before consulting a doctor, because if it will be caused by a virus or a bacteria, so it has to be treated immediately and properly, so that it will be healed, no, so that it will be your condition, our condition will be improved and will not be worsened. So that's it. So those are different types of cough, and those are the tips by how we treat cough. Thank you.